Hi everyone, here I am again. I am Antonia from Agent Imada, your trusted agent in Madagascar. Do you know that at Agent Imada we have a reliable and professional film crew? Of course, yes. We have a ProFixer.mg that can make your shoot smooth in Madagascar. We can realize all the administrative procedures on our behalf. We also have complete and professional team such as photographers, light operators, drone operators, soundmen, video editors, photographs, production assistants, and the last one is driver good work. To sum it up, you can find all the video skills you may need during the film shooting in Madagascar. As a film fixer service provider, what service can we offer you? We assist your team before, during, and after the film shooting like general film production assistance, location scouting, film permit, videography equipment rental, ground organization, local model hire, hotel booking and accommodation, drone filming permit, local crew sourcing, local guide hire, logistic and transportation, visa for foreign crew, agenda and tribe management, aerial filming. As a post-production service, we provide video editing, interview subtitling, sound editing, interview translation, good rashes sorting, video color grading, platform video publishing, and video transfer in any required format. What are the advantages that you can get by hiring ProFixer for your film production in Madagascar? Now, let me tell you some points to show you that we are your best partner. First, affordability because we offer affordable daily rate packages. Second, mobility because our crew can move all over Madagascar. Third, quality shooting because we can shoot in UHD and 4K video format. We also master most of professional video editing softwares. Our team is used to work in a very speed rhythm and have a good anticipation capability. Who is our video fixer service for? We provide video fixer service to film production companies, international television broadcasts, foreign journalists, companies, and corporations, media content producers and vloggers, musical groups, NGO and governments, products marketers. So guys, are you planning to shoot your film here in Madagascar? Our team is gonna make your project happen in a very easy way. Be sure we will deliver a great job beyond your expectation. So get in touch with us. You can find our contact in the description below.